Today I'm doing a micro tutorial on how to create menu bars or menus on WordPress website. So I'm now at the back end of a WordPress website and I go down to appearance and click on menu. So that's how I arrive at this page. Now to find out what are the current menus that you already have, you can click on this drop down. So my main menu is empty and I have a menu 1, which is my primary menu, as well as a products menu. So if I go to menu 1 and I click on select, these are the items in my menu 1. If I click on products menu and select, these are the items in my products menu. So I'm going to show you how to create some new menus. Okay, so first thing, we have to check out our menu items. These are the options for menu items, the options that we can add to our menu structure. For your backend, you may not be able to see so many options. So the first thing I want to show you is these green options up here. If you click on this arrow, you will be able to see the elements that are available for you to display over here under menu items. So if I remove pages over here, I'll see that it's removed over here. Okay, and if I remove posts, it will be removed over here as well. So make sure that you have clicked on the ones that you really want to add into your menu so that you may actually find them here. Now let's close this screen options. Now I want to create a new menu, so I'm going to click on this create a new menu. I'm going to name this general and then create menu. You may ignore these two. The first one will be if you have new pages, it will automatically be added onto this general menu. We usually don't encourage that. We usually encourage manual add-on if you need to add on to your menu. And the second one, primary, so it's only available for one. So I already have my primary menu, so this will not be a primary menu. I'll create menu here. Now I have to add things onto this menu. So I'll go to pages here, and then I'm going to add my account, checkout, cart, okay, add to menu. I'm also going down over here, WooCommerce endpoints. I'm going to add orders, downloads, account. I don't have to add account details. It's the same as my account. Logout or lost password and add to menu. So these are in my general. I can also add a custom link. I want to add my official website address. Official website to my general menu. So this is how I add a custom link to my general menu. So after adding whatever I need to add, I will save menu. Now I can also create a best seller list using this menu function. So how I do it is to click on create a new menu. Best seller products, create menu, and I have this products option here. It is actually a listing. All right, if I don't see anything here, I can click on view all to see. So these are really all my products here. So let me pick 5 best seller randomly for me. 3, 4, and 5, and add to menu. So these are my best seller. All right. So what I can do actually is I can do a product categories and then setting, add to menu. So my category here, and then because so far it's under setting and this becomes a subcategory, I can do that. All right. Okay, so I can do it to do the same for the rest of them, like home decor. I'll add to menu. I'll shift this up here, and then this light is a home decor. Bedding, I'll add to menu. I'll shift this here as a main category, and then I shift this over here, okay, to be under bedding. Armchair will go under sitting as well, right? And then sofa will also go under sitting. And then I save menu. So I've created this menu structure for bestseller products, and I have structured them according to the subcategories, sub-items and the main item. I can create many other sub if I want to. All right, so simply just drag and drop the items, and then display them according to how you want them to be displayed. So this is the way to create different types of menus. So if you click on this, you realize that the new menus are already here. And if I want to view, I should actually save this first. I'll save menu. If I want to view, I can simply select this, and it will turn up here. Okay, so hope this helps. Thank you for watching. That's all for today.